It's Disney Travel Day! We are just about to leave and head to the airport. I had some work to finish up this morning, so we dropped the baby off at daycare early this morning, so we're about to go pick her up and get on our way. I was a little bit worried that we were not going to be able to get out because of the Hurricane Helene that is going on right now. If you've been following the news, you'll know it's been crazy, the timing of that and everything. But yeah, so crossing our fingers that the flight is still on schedule because we're about to leave and get on our way. So come along. It is 2 o'clock. We just made it through security. We're here in the airport. Jose got extra screening for some reason. I don't know. It wasn't even him. It was our stroller. That's the first time that's happened. We've flown like 5 times this year, so very weird. But yeah, so I think we're gonna go. We've got about an hour and a half maybe before boarding, so we're gonna get something to eat and probably a drink. Jose, are you ready? You ready for Disney? No, he's not ready.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, it is 6:53. We just landed. We're walking to baggage claim. So excited. Jose, are you excited? No comment.
Trying to see where the luggage is.
No, we just gotta go follow the signs to baggage claim. This one is short. We don't even have to take the, because we're in Terminal C. And Terminal C, if you fly into here, is like really good, because you do not have to take the shuttle, so you get there quicker. It's like the newer terminal. Really nice. So yeah, so we're gonna go meet our driver and get our luggage now, and then head on over to Target to pick up our grocery delivery. So if you're arriving into Terminal C, this is like the nicer, newer terminal. There's a nice little Disney store here. They also have one for Universal. If there's something that maybe you didn't get a chance to buy when you were at Disney, or maybe you didn't get a chance to go to Disney while you were here. But yeah, Universal's right across the street here. You get all your last minute purchases. Wow. I finally have someone to push the cart stroller while I... Yeah, so here's the Universal store right across from there. Yeah, I always find the Orlando airport like just so pretty. Alright, so because we have a stroller, we gotta get the elevator.
I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but
Alright, we just stopped at Target. We're picking up our groceries. And then we're gonna be on our way to the hotel.
Take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I'll be, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all.
Alright, so we just arrived. So I'm going to do a quick room tour. It's a little chaotic in here because I wanted to get this filmed before everything gets out of control. But alright, look at this. Very cool.
What's that? What's that?
That's Emma coming. Emma Kingdom. Mommy, this is no kingdom. Mommy, this is Emma Kingdom.
Yes, look at the beds. Very cool, right?
This is good.
I like the molding here. It's very cool. Very nice. Yeah, very similar to Wilderness Lodge if you've ever stayed there, but this is more like, make it African. So yeah, definitely very cool. And so we just requested a resort view and we got very lucky because look at our view.
It's open.
Oh.
You closed it.
Oh, awesome. So it looks like we have a view. So again, our room is 4034. We have a view of the hot tub and the pool. So this is actually, we really looked out with a nice view. Definitely very cool. So Jose and I are gonna have to enjoy this on the little balcony tonight and have a glass of wine out here. Very nice.
Look at the kid.
Yeah.
Mommy, look at the floor.
Okay, yeah, look. Come on, go outside.
I want to see the floor.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. There's the elevator right here. All right, we are all checked into our room over at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's like about 8:30, almost 9 o'clock, so we're gonna go walk around and check everything out. We booked a regular resort view room, but I have to say we got a really nice view, I think, of the pool and the sauna actually, so really happy so far. So obviously it's nighttime, so we can't like totally see everything, but we'll be able to check it out in the morning as well. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around, see if we can get something to eat. It's been a long day. Alright, so this is like, we never get to do really the playground when we come, and it's always so hot, but this is actually the perfect time, and they have the movie Under the Stars playing. They have Little Mermaid playing behind us. So Lucia is somewhere over there. Oh yeah, she's coming up in the slide, on this slide over there. So, very cool. Very big playground, I feel like. Yeah, like I said, we just never do the playgrounds when we come because it's always so hot and we're always at the park or we're at the pool. So it's kind of nice to just sit and chill, like a good day to just, we got in and, you know, just chill. Here's Lucia. Get her worn out so she could pass out. Alright, so this is the quick service place that we came. So we're gonna get some flatbreads and take it back to the room and eat. So it's not bad.
Thanks, man. When I get out, you're coming. When I get out, you're coming.
We also have like these bowls, which kind of remind me of when we were at the Contemporary. It's like a chicken bowl, the rest is spiced beef bowl.
Alright, take care.
There's different bowls they have, like you get with I guess kind of like African style stuff. So normally I would like that, but yeah, I think we're gonna just play it safe right now and just get our family, the picky eaters, flatbread, which they're serving up right now. Okay, all right. Okay, let's go find your jammies. All right. I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. It's been a long travel day. I'm exhausted, sweaty, all the things. So if you stuck along this far, go ahead and leave a tiger emoji down below in the comments, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.